What is this?
The dog. Now, we are ready. Show me, please.
This one now, I want to boil it and take the water because I can't grind them
Okay.
together. So when I boil it,
Why can you not ground them together?
when
Because you don't get the machine to ground them.
and because there's no big mortar here to grind it. So when I boil it, I go take the water. Because if now we will go cut everything put together, and not say you
But you could use the mortar like this, Abi, to do this one.
to grind it. It will come like this or machine.
Okay, so that's why you say it's
I
fresh.
will boil it now. When I boil it, but this one I will
Go boil it.
When I boil it, the water I will use.
Just use the water. Like to say it's dado.
No, Dad. Stupid man.
Now this one I will cut to put because I will slice it in thin.
Okay. How about bitter leaf? You don't put bitter leaf?
I put it vitamin for soup.
For soup.
Okay, but not for pepper soup.
No,
Bitter leaf, you only put it for egusi soup.
I don't want to soup.
Oh, bono soup.
So it's no need for me to put bitter leaf in pepper soup. I used to put bitter leaf in pepper soup.
No,
That's
no,
why.
nice one.
That's why I
Oh,
spoil am.
no, you spoil now.
That's why I
You
spoil that.
spoil now.
Okay, you will come here after me.